Hello everybody, cheers from Cancun. I am at the hotel zone in front of the Nichute Lagoon, and today we are going to share with you the best wedding package quote ever. Enjoy!
Just for our clients, you will see that we have created an assistant that works 24/7 for you online. Basically, a place where you can quote every single thing that you can imagine it will be necessary for each of your events at your destination Indian wedding. The virtual assistant will create a purchase order from the selections for music, from decor, food, hair and makeup, so far and so on, with photo, description, pricing, notes, unit, pricing, subtotal, and total per event. If this is not enough for you, the next event will be in the same quote, so it's going to be a multi-event quote. Each event it will be divided by golden color row, and you will see the selections you have chosen for each event. At the very bottom of the entire quote, you are going to see all the events you have selected and the grand total for all of them. Easier impossible.
So, we hope you have enjoyed our packages and the instant quotes. And don't forget to hit the bell and subscribe.